Hey guys, here, Brohard Gaming. We're gonna bring you another video. Um, it's called Shotgun Funfun. It's a pretty fun game. It's pretty hard though. Most I've lasted was like a minute, and it, I recommend it. So let's get started and let's have some fun. Okay, here we go, guys. This is Shotgun Funfun. All you really do is running around killing these zombie things. I don't really know what they are. They're pretty creepy. The game's pretty fun. No! Oh, I better not die this early. So yeah, I'm almost dead, as you can see right there. My health. Pretty gruesome. The game still pretty fun. Holy crap. This might be my longest match ever. I've brought you my best match. There you go, guys. Two more hits, I'm dead. One more hit. Jinxed myself. Oh jeez. Yeah, I don't even know what these guys are. They're like, I guess they're naked zombies. Oh god, I'm dead. Or not. Yeah. Once is good. See, I have this on my Mac, and it's probably one of the most fun games that I've played, but I'm just so basic. Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. 55 kills. 56. Oh my gosh. Okay, wish me luck. Yeah. Oh no! No! Okay, well, there's Shotgun Funfun. And that's pretty much it. All you do is run around this little map, shooting people, or zombies, whatever they are. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!